Welcome back, Moto Buyers. This is Brian again. Today we're with a TM15 unit. When you get your unit in, you get it all put together and you're going to ride, sometimes you might have some starting issues. So when you kick your bike, as you can tell, it is trying to go, it is not cranking over. Sometimes coming from the factory, the carbs can be a little bit gummed up. And a good way to get them to go ahead and fire and try to burn that out of there is to spray a little starting fluid on the back of the air filter that goes into the carb, crack the gas a little,